Welcome everyone to our today's chat show. I am Anindita Roy and I have with me my co-editor Jaya Ray, and we are here to take you through to our show where we shall be discussing the issue of the shrinking green lung of South Delhi. Yes, you have guessed it right. Our very own, the beautiful Jahanpana forest. This forest, with a circumference of about 7 kilometers, is located in South Delhi between Tughlakabad and Chirag Delhi and passes through Alaknanda and Greater Kailash too. It is one of the last dense green patches in the capital, sprawling over 435 acres, and is under threat from many years now. And to remind you all, it is not a park, it's a forest. It's a proper forest, which is under the threat of deforestation and encroachment. According to reports, illegal activities such as felling of trees, dumping of garbage, encroachment, and open defecation by locals are rampant. The apathy of the relevant authorities is very apparent as the boundary wall was found to be broken. There were no guards at the gates, and the rainwater harvesting system was lying defunct because of lack of maintenance. On visiting, one can see domestic waste dumped by locals from across the boundary wall with heaps of polythene bags with waste inside them. Construction and demolition waste are scattered in many places. In some places, the base of trees was concretized. There are hardly any guards at the gate, and people can be seen consuming drugs inside the forest area. The toilets are found abandoned, giving rise to open defecation. Some religious structures can also be noticed, and they have encroached the vacant spaces. The boundary wall is broken illegally at many places. So it seems that it is up to some local good Samaritans now to save the Jahapana forest. Today we have with us Sri Subrato Rudra, Sri Girish Kagreti, and Sri Prahlad Munshi to enlighten us about the steps being taken towards the preservation of the green lung of Delhi. My co-editor Jaya will now introduce you to our guests and take forward the chat show. Over to you, Jaya.
Thank you so much, Anindita. And good evening, viewers. Wish you a safer, healthier, and a happier new year. And may you all be really, really safe and healthy than from 2020. Wish 2021 brings us all that we missed in 2020. Today, I'm in the August gathering of some noble soldiers who have been fighting in the front line to save nature. Yes, I'm talking about SAVE, a pioneering organization which has been fighting tooth and nail to save our very own Jahapuna forest, our lungs of Delhi. Today, we will be hearing from these pioneers themselves as to how they are carrying forward the fight and how they want to ultimately save our lungs. I'm very happy to introduce Mr. Girish Kargeti, the pioneer of the organization, Mr. Prahlad Munshi, and Mr. Subrata Rudra. They have recently also included us in the whole fight. We are extremely fortunate to be part of this initiative. But of course, I mean, we are only virtually bringing to you their struggle, their fight. But I will really now go across to Girish and I'll ask him to take us through the entire journey, beginning with how did they conceptualize SAVE and how did they get into this whole movement of saving our dear Jahapuna forest. So, Girish, thank you so much for joining us and
Thank you, ma'am.
happy new year to you. So
Thank you
if
very
you
much,
can
and same
just,
to you.
yeah, thank you. So if you can just take us through how did you really start this whole movement and tell us more about what is SAVE.
Actually, frankly speaking, it was not a movement which was run by me only. Initially, it was the idea started by Sri Subrato Rudra, Sri Prahlad Munshiji, and me. We all went to the jungle many a times. We watched that the jungle is facing so many problems like defecation, like open littering, garbage, plastic garbage was there. So we plan to start an organization with the name SAVE, which is sustainable approach against the vanishing environment. And there was an olden NGO there, which is Friends for Japana City Forest, which was fighting for this forest for last 20 years or more. The organization was started by by Shri S.M. Agarwal, the veteran person living in Greater Kailash. He single-handedly managed all issues of this forest, whether it is encroachment or forest fire or boundary wall, whatever the issue he faced alone. So we joined him after knowing about his work and his actions. Now we are a team of more than 50 people who are working in this forest, Japana City Forest. This forest, it was initially an area of 800 acres in the year 1980, but slowly it shrink to 435 acres only because of encroachment, and few land pieces were given to Jamia Hamdard University and Batra Hospital, even Majidia Hospital. Now it shrink to 435, and by the help of Google Maps, we have calculated the area is even less than that, which is claimed by DDA, that is 435. It is around 220 to 25 acres. So the forest is facing many problems, which we have discussed already. It is encroachment by those person who are selling milk from the stray cows there. The boundary wall is broken at many places. Miscreants and encroacher just enter from these boundary walls or of lower height. They do even crimes here, and even few murders were recorded in the forest initially. But now the situation has changed.
So you just mentioned, Girish, that the fight has been going on for the past 20 years by Mr. Agarwal. So while this whole crusade has been going on, but still there have been encroachments, and there have been okay. So coming back to the point wherein you said mentioned that DDA has given the part of the land parcels to the 3 hospitals.
Three
Now,
hospitals.
was
Even
that given officially, or I mean,
yes,
how?
it was. No, it was officially, but
How
even
can they just give a forest area to a hospital? Yeah, exactly.
in a very recent case, the land is being given to Ravi Das temple, which is in the forest, and even after the encroachers, they were fighting for the land of Sant Ravi Das Mandir, illegal encroachment in the court of ADJ. But as it became a political issue, the land was given to these encroachers after changing the land use by DDA. So these sort of stories are very common in India, where land use was changed and the forest patch was given to Ravidas Mandir. Similar story was happened with Batra Hospital or Jamia University or Majidia hospitals. So it is very common practice in India.
So what is the current scenario now in terms of the protection of the forest, or restoration of the forest? What is the current scenario? If you can tell us, any of you.
Actually, primarily, two government agencies are involved in the protection and conservation of this forest. One is DDA, Horticulture Department, and another is Forest Department, Delhi government. The Forest Department has to make the work plan for this forest, and DDA has to execute it. But this fight is going for more than 20 years. That DDA is saying Forest Department has not prepared the work plan, and DDA is not executing the plan in very better way. We see that there are some ornamental plant and trees in the forest, but as per the guideline of Forest Department, these ornamental plants should not be there. It is a protected forest, so we must plant the indigenous varieties of trees like peepal, gular, bear, Spanish cherry, and pilkhan, which are the indigenous jamun, but not the ornamental plant. So this fight is going for more than 25 years. DDA is saying something else, and Forest Department is making some other plan. So So in between the fight of these two agencies, the forest is suffering.
Basically, the
yeah.
apathy of the agencies. Sorry, I'm interjecting. I mean,
No, I mean,
the
I was
apathy
coming
of
to
the
you.
agencies. That is, I mean, we are losing a. I mean, we are fighting a losing battle
Yes, yes.
for the conservation of this protected forest
For the
or deep
ornamental
forest.
plants, they are taking money. So when you
Yes,
plant an
Yes.
ornamental plant, there is a contract and people are making money.
yes.
Absolutely.
And it no more remain a forest.
Yeah,
And it has become a political issue now. I mean, it is no longer a matter of me, you, or anybody else. So whatever, even this the donating of the forest land to certain organizations or places, it is all political,
Yes.
which always has. I mean, it is ruling the roost in India, maybe elsewhere also, but
yeah.
we see that every day. That is happening in our daily lives.
In fact, that day when we had gone to the forest, during the drive, what we noticed was that the trees are, which are there are not so much not so much as green. The trees were not really green. They were more like, very the kind of trees that you really find in deserts, which are very skeletal
Kikar.
trees. Yes, kikar, and some similar trees, which are not really which do not really help
Indigenous
the
to
environment.
these should not be this.
Yeah, they should not be there at all in the forest. And of course, I was telling Anindita that the whole area was strewn with plastics.
I think
Completely.
Mr. Girish can throw a light on this particular why we have so many kika trees here
Yeah,
instead of some other
huh?
varieties. Yeah.
Actually, yes. In the year 1970, our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi started one project just to increase the forest area. The seeds of Juliflora prospis, that is Vilayati kikar, they were thrown from the aeroplanes
So
in
those
the
are
entire
thorny
Delhi NCR region.
thorny
And these,
plants. They are these
pardon?
thorny plants.
Thorny
Vilayati
plants,
kikar is
yes.
a thorny
Thorny
plant.
trees,
Yes.
thorny trees.
Thorny trees.
Yeah.
A bird don't even prefer to make their nest on these
Exactly.
trees.
Exactly.
They never even give the provide food to the birds or animals.
Hmm.
So they are useless. In a study, it was found that these trees can dry up a very green forest within few years, which is happening here. It is called as monoculture, where one species dominates over other and just make the entire forest like having a dominated species like kikar. So it is happening here. This is the very serious environmental concern where we have lost all our indigenous tree here in the forest. It was jungle jalebi at that time, and jamun, bear, gular, the indigenous trees, they all were slowly dominated by this kikar tree. Actually, this kikar tree evaporates one chemical which is alkaloid from its leaves. This alkaloid spread over all the surrounding soil around the tree, and it just make the soil barren for other trees. It is the primary reason why all the trees were vanished here.
So it absorbs all the moisture from the soil,
Yes,
and then of course no other tree can really
yes,
grow
grow up.
there. So what is the
Soil
solution
of
that
this
you have?
area, the soil of this area, the forest is rocky or what kind?
It is rocky at some places, but it is mixed type of soil
Yeah,
where
it's
our
mixed soil.
indigenous plant or trees can be planted in very easily. But
Correct.
as this species dominating over all the forest, it is very difficult to plant other species too.
And I think the migratory birds have also become less than what I mean. The kind of birds that they used to come a few years earlier. We read, but I think now the population is also decreased of the
Yes,
migratory birds.
there used to be a water body near Sant Ravidas Mandir, close to Tughlakabad village, within the forest. Slowly, this water body dried up. So bird density already gone up. They all just vanish. If the DDA or forest department revive these water bodies, this can reverse too.
Yes.
Plus, But at present, it is not happening.
Mm.
There is no water in spite of very good rain in the Delhi because of this Juliflora prospis, that is Kikar.
So many forests have been revived all over the world. So maybe we can put in an effort to revive our Jahanpana forest also.
Yes, definitely. We have given a work plan to DDA
Mhm.
under the direction of Forest Department, and we Principal Commissioner of DDA, Sri Rakesh Tiwari, he is very much enthusiastic and he is very much concerned about this forest. He has promised us that in a patch of next 6 to 7 months, we will plant indigenous tree there, and we will just remove the small kikar tree. So this is a part of their work plan. We hope soon it will be started.
Basically, like your planned deforestation of or of cutting of trees, those are actually hampering the growth of
Yes.
the
Mhm.
flora and
Slowly,
fauna that
phase-
should be found in that forest.
Yes.
Should be there. This should be the
Yes.
planned way of doing that. Yes.
We also read that a lot of PILs have been found, filed in the Supreme Court against the encroachments that are happening. So could you just throw some light on that, Girish and Subhrata?
Okay. One PIL was filed by HL Sood, Sri HL Sood of Greater Kailash, and the case title was HL Sood versus Union of India. It was year 1989.
Mhm.
This writ was decided in the year 2003, where it was found by Honorable Supreme Court that this is a protected forest and it must be monitored by monitoring committee, which must comprise of DDA, Forest Department, Police, ACP, MCD, Deputy Commissioner, and all the stakeholders, including Sri S.M. Agrawal, the member of Jahanpana City Forest, Friends of Jahanpana City Forest. So after that, a contempt petition was filed in the year 2007. After that contempt petition, Supreme Court has given the rule that this is a protected forest, and DDA was given the authority to monitor and to execute all work plan. At present, a writ petition is pending in Delhi High Court, which has a title Amit Gupta versus Union of India. No decision has been delivered by Supreme Court in that writ, it is pending.
Okay.
Basically, the area is there, and it is up to now the citizens who we are all around the place that we should like take steps to protect the place and remove the encroachments. Like we should voice our concerns and keep asking them.
What happens is we are the people who care only for ourselves. We are so selfish.
Yes.
We do not care what is going on around my house. I can keep my house clean, throw the entire garbage outside for the government to take care of.
Yeah.
We do not, I mean, we have to do our own bit also.
Yeah.
Right. So that is the public apathy, awareness, and of course, to some extent, I will say literacy rate in those areas where people they just do not bother. Just throw the garbage and let the other people take care of it.
Take care of it. Yeah.
So that is the tragedy of us people I'm talking about.
I think it is up to us citizens only, wherein we can actually, we have to keep pushing the authorities till they really, take up action and they do the work. Because
And I would like to take it a little bit further, like what we should say that we really do not have pride in our country. Had we had pride, we would have kept our surroundings, our country clean and beautiful.
True,
Like
sir.
other peoples do. Why can't we?
we are not patriotic enough. We just have suddenly we wake up, our patriotism
Yes.
wakes up on
गाना
15th
गाने
of
के
August
लिए
and
we are
26th
ठीक है,
January,
झंडा फहराने के लिए हम
and
ठीक है.
rest of the year
Yes.
we do not
not
at
bother.
all bother about our country
Actually,
at all.
I'll tell you an incident. Like we were in Nehru Park sometime. So there was this family which was having a picnic, and then they just threw everything.
Threw
They did
everything
not put it in
else.
the dustbin. There are huge dustbins in Nehru Park where you can put the thing inside.
Absolutely.
So some person told them ki, why are you putting in the ground? Please put them in the
Put it
dustbin.
there.
So what they are saying कि अगर हम डस्टबिन में डाल देंगे तो ये क्लीनर्स क्या मुफ्त के पैसे लेंगे?
हाँ हाँ,
मतलब
yes,
they
yes.
want to create garbage all around so that जो वहां के माली है वो क्यों मुफ्त में पैसे लेंगे,
उनका
तो
मुफ्त में क्यों?
गंदगी फैलाएंगे ताकि वो साफ करे उसको.
I think
this
Mr.
was a
Munshi has
mentality.
been doing a lot on this because he travels all around India
Okay.
and he is involved in so many projects. So I think Mr. Munshi can also enlighten us on what he has been doing as far as conservation of various natural resources and jungles and other in that area are.
Thank you, Subrato, and I'm grateful to Jaya and also Dr. Roy for having this program for all of us, the chat show, whatever it is. And you are exaggerating too much about me that I'm a traveler and all those things. Anyway, because I have to be brief also, I'll be given 1 or 2 minutes. But I'll just tell you that the save, whatever we thought, as you said, till you have that public support for some movement, say we did it on 20th of this month, something of garbage cleaning and all. This was just to mobilize the public around, because 4 or 5 times we went there. I'm a good friend of, say, Subrato, and I'm a good friend of Girish. So we just were just walking one fine morning there, and it just struck us. Why not to have that public support from the surrounding areas, like the Chittaranjan Park or the Greater Kailash, or people come for morning walks and everybody. But the stretch between Dakshin Puri and this Greater Kailash, lots of people are traveling through that route. And most of them are, say, maid servants, maids, and वो घर से सारा कूड़ा जो लाते हैं, and then there's just that's one part. I'm not very aware of that, whether this is true or not. But I found on my observation that the stretch between Dakshin Puri and where the maximum people travel. So घर का कूड़ा लाते होंगे, अब वो कहीं फेंक, ग्रेटर कैलाश में तो फेंक नहीं सकते, चित्तरंजन पार्क में तो फेंक नहीं सकते, तो वो आके अपना ये जहाँ पर ना फॉरेस्ट के बीच में कहीं डंप, जहाँ देखा, dump means everything has been converted into a dump. So that's true that I have been traveling so long and throughout the length and breadth of the country. I'm a national trekker and associated with the youth hostel movement also. So my point of view is simply this, that we should save the forest at any cost. Whether we have to go, जिसको कहते हैं ना साम दाम दंड भेद, तो अगर हमको PIL से काम का होता है तो हमको PIL करना है, अगर हमको पब्लिक सपोर्ट से होता है we have to do that. And suppose जैसे गिरीश अपना सुब्रतो भाई ने कहा कि हम तो डंडा बना सकता है, तो डंडा बना के हम उस दिन we went to everywhere. And this was done on the 20th of this month. We had a lot of publicity on this. That was an international human solidarity day. So we thought this is a good day. एक अच्छा त्योहार भी है, international day है, and people will come here, and many people joined us and they gave us support. तो उसमें बहुत सारे लोग थे, अभी नाम लेना ठीक नहीं है, सुब्रतो जी को पता है कौन कौन लोग इससे जुड़े हुए हैं, जैसे इन्होंने अग्रवाल
Jaya
साहब का
was also there, so
yes,
she knows, and she has
yes,
already
Jaya was also
mentioned
there.
it. Yeah,
Yes,
in their
yes, yes, and we are hopeful that Jaya will definitely disseminate this information amongst the crowd there, and जिन लोगों के पास भी Facebook है और दूसरा चीजें हैं. So this information should go to everybody, that this is a piece of land or a piece of forest which is protected, and the stakeholders are doing nothing about it, and one has to do, the people have to come together.
Correct. I was coming to that it is ultimately the people's fight.
Yes.
Only then.
Acres to almost 225 acres has been reduced. So just 1/4 of the land is left. So now what steps can we take?
No, it is 420 around.
Okay.
420 acres, not 220.
Okay, sorry.
No,
435, so it has reduced. I mean,
435
yeah.
So for, like
Actually,
it's
it was
off now.
in the
Girish ji,
land record of DDA, it is 435, but With the help
Actually,
of Google Map, we have calculated it's 220, 225 acres.
हाँ वही बता रहे थे जी जी.
Correct. So I think we were
On
referring to
paper
that.
it's 435 I think so, but as Girish ji
Yeah, on paper
rightly
we
said,
did 435.
Yes.
ji, officially it's that.
Okay, so whatever is left of the
Yeah.
forest, so what steps can we take?
We must work in a very multifarious level. First of all, we must aware all those people, whether they are morning walker or regular visitor in the forest, not to throw the garbage, and even to collect the garbage at their during their walk.
So
We have
like lots of garbage is being thrown there. These builders, what they do, they will not put the malwa uh, in other places where they have to pay money. They will just go and dump it in the forest. So
Dump
how
it,
can we
yeah.
stop all these things?
okay.
Like the people who go for morning walk and all, they must be not be throwing that much amount of garbage, right? But most of the garbage is coming from the surrounding villages because
Yes,
they,
yes.
one, they do not have an awareness. Second, they don't want to pay the garbage wala, so they will just pick up the garbage and just dump it
Malba
anywhere.
and put it there.
You will be surprised, the most of the malwas is on the GK side, because
Yeah,
I go there often. So on GK side, GK2 side, you will find a heap of malwas. It's
Yes.
at least a half a kilometer long stretch that is full of malwa.
yeah. So the
So
Even
builders have
most
to
of
be
the
pulled
building
up.
activities are going on this side. So
Yeah.
that was the easiest way of doing
Easiest way.
disposing.
even the
Yeah.
biomedical waste is being thrown by a hospital
My,
near gate number 1.
that's
Even the biomedical waste,
that's a
Correct.
pieces
very
of human
That's
organs, even
disgusting.
bandages, blood, so
My
bandages,
goodness.
cotton.
but then somebody has to take care.
What is
Uh,
the way forward? I mean, this is a never-ending problem that I mean, we all face. Even outside of the forest.
In a
Even
place
if you,
like Delhi, it is happening. So what
yeah,
will happen in places inside in interiors of India? If
Yes,
in the
exactly,
yes.
capital
exactly.
city there is so much apathy,
yes.
then how will we take care of our interior states, interior villages, districts?
What
After
is the
our
way forward?
pla- after our plastic clean drive on 20th of December,
Mhm.
a meeting was conducted by DDA on 23rd of December under Principal Commissioner Sri Rajiv Tiwari, IFS. He promised us that all plastic malwa along the wall of Dakshin Puri will be cleaned in next 2 months. It is his promise. Also, the demolition malwa, which Sri Subruto Rudra has just mentioned, along the GK and TR Park side, he promised us that this malwa will slowly in phases, different phases, that will be bring out from the forest.
And the
Do you?
biomedical waste and all that also
Yeah.
will be taken care of.
It was also mentioned to Sri Principal Commissioner Mr. Rajiv Tiwari. He promised us to issue notice to that hospital within
Yes.
15 days,
And
and we are
going.
hopeful.
Sorry.
But Girish bhai, I would just like to interrupt here. That's true, whatever is being done by the DDA or the stakeholders. लेकिन आप हैं वहां पर, आप एडवोकेट भी हैं, और जैसे कह रहे हैं कि भाई क्या पब्लिक भी, बिकॉज पब्लिक इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू सम एक्सटेंट, वी शुड मूव अहेड एंड जो छोटा मोटा चाहे धरना प्रदर्शन है, या आई एम नॉट सेइंग स्ट्रेट अवे एजुटेशन कर लीजिए आप, बट वी हैव टू ब्रिंग इट टू द नोटिस ऑफ द हायर अथॉरिटीज इन दैट, बट से बत्रा हॉस्पिटल है या कोई हॉस्पिटल है तो उसके भाई चेयरमैन से बात करें, किसी और से बात करें, क्यों नहीं सुनेंगे वो हमारी बात? हमारा तो पॉइंट ये है, या से जैसे आप कह रहे मलबा डाल रहे हैं तो उनके लिए कोई पुलिस भी स्टेक होल्डर है, द एसएचओ ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ, से आपने जैसे बताया से दक्षिणपुरी का है या से ग्रेटर कैलाश का है, इवन डॉक्टर अग्रवाल इज देयर, सो व्हाई कांट दीज पीपल बी checked or stopped from doing that thing?
The
क्योंकि
main
अगर हम
thing that I find
हम
very,
सोचेंगे डीडीए ही करेगा या
I
और
think
कोई ही करेगा
there
या
should be a security measure taken to stop the the influx of garbage into the
Yes.
forest.
Yes,
That
all
yes,
sort
is
of garbage.
all sorts of garbage. I mean, that is a
Yes.
security measure that I think immediately has to be taken, so that First of all, the garbage disposal does not happen there.
Happen.
We are
Yeah.
talking about removal is later,
Yes,
but
that's
the disposal should not first in the first place should not happen. So
exactly.
what are we I mean have we spoken to the stakeholders in terms of
Providing
protecting
security.
providing the protecting the forest from the disposal in the first place?
Yes,
So
I
there's
think
this
so.
feeding
ये
of
अभी
birds and animals. So what
अभी वो
people
बता
do
रहे
is, sorry, I mean,
जी.
I was saying that the feeding of these birds and animals within the forest area, even
Yes.
that is a menace, because
Yes.
what people do is carry plastic bottles,
हाँ.
plastic this and that, and they throw it, dump it there.
Yes,
Yes.
And they're exactly. So this is how it builds up, and
Yes.
cleanliness will always be an ongoing process.
yes.
Correct.
मैंने आज कर दिया, and then next
हाँ.
1
Again,
month I
2
say
years
that
we
there
don't do
won't be any.
anything. No, no, it will
It
not
is
happen.
always and as a public, I can, okay, few people who are aware that they should not be doing, they will not do that.
Yeah.
Yes. But
So the
most
people are doing this,
Yeah.
and
नहीं,
people who are either they are not bothered. Again, I am saying that, or they are not sense of belonging,
They don't have the awareness
Yes, yes.
also.
awareness also. So
No
that
sense of
awareness has
pride,
to be brought into.
no concern, nothing. You're
The
talking about the
environment.
forest. I mean, if you look at our colonies, so-called pseudo animal lovers,
yes.
they are
Yes, yes.
all the time they're littering the roads,
Yes,
on the
yes.
pretext of feeding the dogs and cats, the stray dogs
Yes.
and cats. They will just leave
Pigeons,
the
another is
newspapers and the
feeding the
plastics on
pigeons.
the road. And the
Yes,
pigeons,
yes.
of course, that's
Yes,
the
yes.
biggest menace.
Menace.
We have been, both of us, both Anindita and I, have been fighting and writing for the pigeon for the past 4 years.
Yeah.
So this
Jaya ji,
overtly
Jaya
love
ji,
for the animals is
No,
taking
no.
us nowhere.
It is
In
not
fact,
taking
good
us
for
it is
nowhere.
Basically,
spoiling.
what is happening in the pigeon jungles, and actually they are feeding the pigeons
pigeons,
so that the
yeah.
pigeons come, and then they are selling the pigeons. They are selling
Yes, yes.
pigeon meat. Actually, that is happening.
Ah.
So those people who are feeding the pigeon, they are not getting any punya. They are getting only
Ah.
because
But not
they are
everyone is selling pigeons.
they are selling pigeon meat. That is the
No, I
main
mean, not
business.
everyone is
नहीं,
selling pigeons.
A few
Jaya-
people
Even
do that for like religious purposes.
yeah,
Yeah.
religious.
So
Yes,
मन
if
की
50
शांति के
people
लिए.
are feeding for
Even-
Yeah.
religious purpose, then 50 people are eating the pigeon meat from
On the
there.
slide, it may be happening.
Yeah,
नहीं, Jaya,
on the slide only.
On the slide may be happening.
Yeah.
Everything
Jaya ji
is
ने-
jaiz here, na?
जया जी ने एक बात ठीक कही है कि व्हाट अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ दिस,
Yeah.
क्योंकि यहाँ तो इंडिया में डंडा का जोर से ही सब चलता है.
सब
तो
डंडा कल्चर
शायद
है.
गिरीश जी ने बोला है कि 30 का 35 सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स हो गया है. That
Actually,
was
पहले-
addressed by the principal commissioner. Yes, closed circuit TV has been, closed circuit cameras का भी permission हो गया है,
Exactly.
जैसे कि मुझे बताया गया है.
Hmm.
So I think these are the steps taken by the stakeholders as well. अच्छा, हम उस दिन गए थे एक दिन, तो गिरीश जी, मैं को, हम लोगों ने उनको, जो भी उनका वो concerned person है, officers, they took us on their vehicle, their
Visit.
motorcycle, and we
For the-
saw most of the guards were on job and they were doing whatever duties are they doing. But 12 लोग ही हैं पूरे एक shift में, मैम 12 लोग का ड्यूटी है, 35 है total. But because it's 24 hours job, so only 12 people are guarding at one 8-hour shift. So what can 12 people do
Which
with
is
the
hardly
entire
anything.
forest which is so long?
Yes.
तो इसके लिए ठीक है, दीदी
Maybe
के
we
पास
can have
पैसा.
some youth volunteers.
Yes, we had brought on that day people from civil defense. तो
Hmm.
उसमें कोई
Civil
डॉक्टर साहब हैं, वो he's a chief warden there. So such organizations should come forward and do something for this. पर उसके लिए तो वही है ना कि आप जैसे disseminate कर रहे हैं information, से डॉक्टर अनिंदिता राय हैं और वो सब हैं. This message should be put across to certain people that yes, this is happening here and people should come here. In say, जैसे मैंने civil defense का एक reference दिया, तो एक डॉक्टर साहब थे, उन्होंने बताया कि भाई we can bring 50 people here, 50 volunteers, and they are just outside the gate. They are sitting and protecting whatever they are doing. There are some 20 people around the gates, so they can come inside. They can serve this. और वो शायद कुछ गिरीश जी को शायद ज़्यादा better पता होगा. तो this such things. और फिर बाउंड्री वॉल का सबसे बड़ा इश्यू है. बाउंड्री वॉल इज बीइंग रेज्ड. अगर वो रेज भी करा जाएगा अराउंड दैट फॉरेस्ट, आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी बिग इश्यू विद डॉक्टर अग्रवाल आल्सो, व्हाटएवर ही इज सेइंग, कि इसका बाउंड्री वॉल को बड़ा कर दीजिए एट सम प्लेसेस वेयर दिस एनक्रोचमेंट इज बीइंग डन, या कोई थ्रो कर रहा है या सीधा ही फॉरेस्ट में जा रहा है, तो उसके लिए गिरीश जी ने काफी लिखा है, और आई थिंक व्हाटएवर ही इज डूइंग इज
डीडीए की तरफ से इस बात,
kudos for him and yes,
मतलब ऐसा हमें इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव हुई है कि डीडीए ने इसके लिए बाउंड्री वॉल को रेज करने के लिए अप टू 8 feet
हाँ.
with a barbed wire,
yes,
it has been sanctioned, and
yes,
in next 2 months work will start.
yes.
Yeah, but we have to
we have to
follow
do
up.
is
We have to
We have to,
follow up.
yes, we have to keep following up.
Following up, yes,
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 yes.
Follow.
follow up has to be done, and
Right.
meeting
More
with them
awareness.
at least every 15 days,
quarterly,
so
Yes.
that they will know that we are sitting on their heads.
yes, yes,
Only
yes,
then
yes.
it can happen. Otherwise,
Absolutely.
they will also go.
Absolutely. They will
take it
also
easy.
go. For them, it is not a priority. For us, it's a priority.
Yes.
So for
उसके अलावा ना ये मीडिया प्रेशर डेफिनेटली ये काम करता है. I just
Exactly.
want to tell because I am from some government ऑफिस में था, तो I was from लोकसभा, तो उसमें चैनल्स ये जो है ना, इसका प्रेशर डेफिनेटली पड़ता है.
Hmm.
एंड आई कैन फॉर श्योर से कि उस दिन जो कुछ हमने किया 20 दिसंबर को, उसके कारण ही वो सब कुछ एजेंसीज हिले और उन्होंने बोला हम अगले दिन ही आ रहे हैं, 23rd को ही. And in fact, they were ready to come, though the whatever deputy director and whatever they are doing a good job there. भाई इतना बड़ा forest है, कुछ कर रहे हैं. We should be thankful to those agencies also, whatever they are doing. We cannot simply criticize them क्योंकि इतना सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. We are not there for all the 24 hours. So, but the media pressure should be maintained on this such issues. So I'm very thankful that you have given us an opportunity to talk to the people around that area. बहुत बहुत
We
शुक्रिया
should
आपका.
basically,
And I
you know,
think there is another drive in Sanjayban on the 12th. Mr. Munshi was
हाँ नहीं
mentioning
वो
that. Is it on?
that we will discuss about it because on the 12th of this National Youth Day,
Youth Day, yeah.
we had proposed this, but in fact the youth hostel is having that blood donation camp on that
Okay.
day. So
Okay.
probably we may have to postpone it to some other day. और जैसे कह रहे हैं ना, एफोरेस्टेशन के लिए भी अभी जैसे गिरीश जी बता रहे थे, भाई वो वाला पौधा होना चाहिए, ये वाला पौधा होना चाहिए.
exactly.
So we
we
can
should have.
contribute something and we can bring from some places. I had brought some mango plants, but mango is not available. मतलब वहाँ नहीं लगाना चाहते वो. तो जैसे बता रहे हैं कोई और जो भी अभी सब डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे, we can
Indigenous
request the
trees.
people to contribute something. भाई प्लांट देना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, और उसको करिए फिर, और डीडीए को बोलिए कि हम ये प्लांट लगाना चाहते हैं. Everything should not be on the government only. क्योंकि
Exactly.
आजकल गवर्नमेंट की जगह वो सब कह रहे हैं पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टिसिपेशन करिए और करिए आगे. Go ahead with that.
And it should be basically highlighted, you know, any activity that we are doing, like for example, if we have the timelines from the authorities, you know, like
Yes,
DDA
yes,
saying
yes.
2 months, or
Yes,
you know,
yes,
Mr.
yes.
Tiwari
So
is saying
follow up
15 days. So those timelines should really be followed up
Yes,
and highlighted in the media, in the social
Yes,
media.
yes,
Today,
yes.
social media is very, very powerful.
Yeah,
If
we
you
can
tag
tag
Social
people.
media.
Yes, if you tag people, if you tag the authorities, everybody
Yes.
has to work. You know,
Yes, they'll.
I mean, both of us use social media very extensively, and I have seen, you know, myself, you know, during Durga Puja, when there
Yes.
are crazy traffic jams, I have always tweeted with the Delhi,
Okay.
you know, tweeting,
Yes,
tagging
yes.
Delhi traffic police.
Yes,
And
sir.
the day before and the next day, when it was Vijay Dashami, because on Vijay
Exactly.
Dashami, you don't see any cops. But that day,
Social media.
about 50, a postune of 50
Yes,
traffic
yes, yes.
cops were standing in CR Park because
Yeah.
of my
Social
tweet.
media powerful.
That's why I was telling that media ka, this is the fourth pillar. We have 3 pillars: executive, judiciary, and so and so and so forth. But the media is also the fourth pillar. So it's very great of you that
So
you
we will be
have.
happy to, we will be more than happy to partner with all of you
Yes.
in this movement, in this initiative to save our forest. And
In
because
fact, I have some of my friends there in Chittaranjan Park. I spoke to them and they were all appreciative of Samvad also. They said it's a publication is being given to us free of charge and it comes to our place. And you are raising theft in CR Park, this and that and everything. तो वो होना चाहिए.
So
तो
I'll tell you another example. Both of us have been writing about the pigeon menace for the last
Yes,
4
yes.
years, and because of our writing, ultimately they actually made that triangle. You know, the sort of
हाँ,
a
yes,
made
yes,
a
yes, yes.
triangle. even though now again it is got encroached by cows and pigeons, but
Yes,
the enclosure was built because we were
Yeah.
after their lives, we kept on writing.
It was basically a traffic island
Yes, it
which
was a
was
traffic
open,
island which was open.
and yeah,
तो जस्ट इन
And
वन लाइन
that covered it up.
गिरीश जी तो बोलेंगे क्योंकि गिरीश जी का थॉट है ये सेव जो आपने बताया SAVE, that is sustainable approach towards vanishing environment, and we'd also want to work for human skill, human development, something for the deprived people. Some libraries are there around the place. We'll take you some time to
As
that
you
place
said,
also.
Sarvahara.
सर्वहारा, हाँ,
सर्वहारा।
डिप्राइव नहीं बोलना चाह रहे हैं बिकॉज नोबडी इज डिप्राइव्ड, एवरीबडी इज ए सर्वहारा। तो
सर्वहारा,
सर्वहारा के लिए
right.
कुछ गिरीश सुब्रतो जी ने तो खैर ओके कर दिया है कुछ, तो वो हम बाद में बताएंगे, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली वांट, I would like that Jaya ji and Dr. Roy, please give us some time, at least once a month or twice a month for such talk shows, so that we can also put across our thought to the neighboring area.
That's what I
मैं
said,
यहाँ
that
दिल्ली,
we will make small clippings of each development that is happening every month.
or
know,
you
with the
can have
timelines.
some column in the Samvad also, that I wanted to not on here, I wanted to say somewhere else. Samvad में एक column आप अगर गिरीश जी को देंगे तो he can write on that and he question
Most
answers and
definitely. Now it
whatever
has
it
become
is.
virtual, so there is no limit of
Yes,
space.
yes,
We have enough
yes,
space. We have all
yes.
the unlimited pages. So I think coming from you all every month, it will be a huge impetus for people
Yes,
to really recognize the
yes,
efforts that you
yes.
all are doing. One second, to really align their thoughts with the whole movement.
Exactly,
Because
exactly.
when you are grabbing eyeballs, when you are having footfalls on your virtual
Yes,
platforms,
yes.
people will
Naturally.
then recognize and understand the criticality of the whole issue.
Exactly.
Yes,
You
it's
know,
the
it is
power
not
of
a
visual
foreign.
media.
Yes, so it is not something as foreign issue that, oh, this is beyond my
No, that's true.
KRA.
That's true.
I am not supposed to do anything for that. It doesn't work like that.
In
So
fact,
we-
I would
So
I
when
would
you
love to
really
take.
impress upon that, when you keep on pressing, it is like
Yes.
an advertisement. When we see
Yes.
an ad multiple times,
Repeatedly.
yes, it
It
registers.
registers.
It
Yes,
registers.
you want
It
to
registers.
understand more about the product. So similarly here also, when we keep on saying one thing again and again and
Yes,
again
We
and
just
again,
keep on hammering onto the
Yes,
people.
Yes,
yes,
yes, yes,
it has to
yes,
be
So that,
hammered in.
yes.
That's
Yeah.
true.
So we will be very happy to partner with Save and Friends of Jahapana, and
That's true.
there should be
Rupantram.
some movement every
Rupantran.
month. Yes, Rupantram, and there should be some movement every month so that people, the memory is fresh in people's mind.
Yes,
It does
yes.
not just go off.
In fact, I would like,
from the
I
memory.
am from the other part of the Delhi. I am from Janakpuri area, and we have Delhi Morning Walkers Association also, and we do a lot of plantation work here. It's parks are being, मतलब वो सब कुछ ऐसा है, वहाँ सब लोग बहुत गार्बेज डालते थे और कुछ करते थे. I would definitely like you to come sometime to Janakpuri also and see what is happening here. We have Green Forest. It's the biggest colony in Asia. Once upon a time, it was the biggest colony in Asia, Janakpuri. And now it's Dwarka is also there, and so many places around our place is there. Right from this place to the international airport, it's all green. If you come sometime, you'll see what is happening in Delhi. So with SAVE, I would like to tell you that we are 3 people, we are 50 people, we'll be 100 people, we'll be 200 people also someday. And we are doing already. Girish Bhai is doing something for last 10 years. Subrato ji is doing.
I just
And
joined. Yeah.
it was just a chance meeting with Subrato, and passionately he came forward. He did so much of work for us on that day, and we are grateful to him also. So SAVE तो definitely मुझे पक्का पता है कि SAVE का नाम बहुत आगे तक जाएगा with
आगे तक
all of
जाएगा.
us.
Hope to
All
take
of
it.
us.
Yes.
Dr. Roy को भी thank
Seriously.
you है, and Dr. Jaya जी को भी बहुत thanks है. हमारा हम तो चाहते हैं
Thank you,
कि ये
Dr.
जो मेरा
Roy
ग्रुप
and Jaya ji.
WhatsApp ग्रुप है ना, उस पे भी बहुत सारा कुछ लिखा जाए, so that at least जो 20 people हैं, 25 people हैं.
Had it not been for the pandemic, we would have got lot of
Yes,
school
yes.
students who
Yes,
would have
yes.
come and done the plantation drives, because
Yes, yes, yes.
nowadays
Rupantran,
the children are the only future of
To
our
educate the
society,
children, they will take
Yes.
it forward.
and they are the best
Rupantran,
teachers. If you see
Rupantran
how
जो कर रहा है ना मैडम, वो हर साल करता है कुछ annual. I have been told that every year or every 6 months they are
20.
doing something for the forest also.
Correct.
Girish
they are
bhai, iske
planting-
baare mein
Now
thora-
They are
there's a bit of
planting tree on every 21st of July. On
okay.
its annual day.
Annual World Environment Day.
No, their
no.
means
Acha,
Drupal-
on their annual
Their
day.
own
Okay.
annual, yeah.
Acha, okay.
इसी
Right.
तरह आसपास बहुत सारे स्कूल हैं, डॉन बॉस्को है और वो
Yeah, once the school
पुष्पा
opens,
भवन
we
के-
will have
हाँ,
lot of students who will come and
you
I'm
can-
sure
you
they
can mobilize
and
so
it is
much
part of their
force.
social work, you know,
Online-
their CRS
online
activity.
program for them
Yes,
also,
yes.
awareness programs maybe.
Yes, we can do that. So once things become a little better, when school opens,
Yes, definitely.
we will have, lot of school students coming forward and participating. Which
Then the
is
corporate social responsibility is also
entire
there on,
activity.
say,
The
Batra
awareness
hospital,
has
this
to be
hospital,
made
that hospital.
for
Yes.
elderly gentlemen like us than school children. These
They are
children
not
are
so
very
elder.
much aware.
very much
Yes.
aware.
of their
Absolutely.
Right.
How
There
they
is people like in GK and other places,
yes.
they have to be made aware that
Correct.
you
Yes.
cannot take your dog for pooping in the jungle.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
हाँ,
They
Many
are
people
very
are
aware.
walking.
They just don't want to do it. That's it.
Yes.
नहीं,
Yeah.
our
They are
posterity.
dumping the malwa.
have to
They
be
know that they
motivated.
should not dump the malwa.
Yes,
They
yes,
know
yes.
that.
हो नहीं सकते कि उनको पता नहीं
नहीं
है.
हो सकता. Everybody has the knowledge कि that यहाँ पे मलबा dump हो रहा है.
हाँ.
They go there every day and see that, but nobody is doing anything about it.
Yes.
They don't want to do. They don't want to do anything about that.
That is the easiest way out.
Yes.
आप दीवार के उधर फेंक दो यार.
हाँ,
Just
बस,
just forget.
तो
It's
इसीलिए
beyond
कह रहे हैं,
eyesight, so it's all
Yes.
gone. I
Out
don't
of
have
sight,
to
out of
bother
mind.
about it
खत्म हो गई.
anymore.
Yeah, like a no
Girish-
man's land.
Yeah, like a no man's
Exactly.
land.
इससे क्या हो
गिरीश
रहा है कि
भाई,
that we are spoiling our environment.
Right.
Our children will be. I mean,
What are
I
we-
don't know what we will be
Exactly.
giving our
What are we
children.
going to leave behind for them?
Yes.
I mean,
Posterity,
it
we have
is-
nothing to give
it is
except
very scary.
malwas.
Nothing but
Unless and
malwa.
until we actually proactively jump into it
Yes,
and
yes.
bring awareness amongst the people that
गिरीश
इसका-
गिरीश
इसमें
भाई, ये दीवार
एक
को
बात-
10 फुट करा दो, 8 फुट की जगह 10 फुट करा दो, कई जगह पर.
sir,
अभी
दीवार
जो
माइंडसेट
डिस्कशन
को
चल
10
रहा था
फुट नहीं 100 फीट करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
तभी वो 10 फीट जो है it will also not be required. It is a
नहीं,
Exactly.
बहुत
एक मैं बात कहना चाहूंगा
there has to be some penalty
yes, yes,
implemented
yes.
so that when the security measures are implemented, then the penalty also has to be somebody just putting. So if you have CCTV cameras, it will be very easy to capture who's
Yes,
putting what.
yes.
And
Just
then
like me.
that as soon as the person is about to leave the park, there has to be a heavy fine imposed on that
Yes.
person.
जैसे मेट्रो में है मैडम, जैसे
Exactly,
मेट्रो में है,
exactly,
मेट्रो में
exactly.
अब
So-
कोई तो नहीं डाल रहा,
Nobody,
littering,
I
and
always
nobody
say this
is-
explain. I
and
always say
everybody
this
is in order,
example.
discipline.
Yes.
कोई ticketless
The
traveling
moment
नहीं है.
somebody is coming out, he is putting the pan ka hook on the street.
Yes.
He does not
It's an
put it in
attitude.
the metro station. This is just an attitude.
It's an
actually there are
attitude.
so many gates.
हाँ,
I don't think they have the funds to even man those.
हाँ, हाँ.
Especially
सर
if,
12
like you're
लोग ही
talking about
हैं,
na,
एक शिफ्ट
that
में.
people
गिरीश जी
coming
बोल रहे
out
थे
and
12
they'll be
लोग.
fined. It can be done at 1 or 2 places only.
Yes,
Right.
yes, yes.
There are a number of approaches and exits and entries. So
Yes, yes.
DDA
वो
will not
possible
be
नहीं है.
spending
Or
a
the
single
gates
pie
should
on
be
that.
or the gates should be minimized. The entry points and exit points
No,
should be
actually it is opening
controlled.
out on various sides, na?
right,
Ah.
right.
So for that you need funds to build up a pillbox or a
हाँ,
card
हाँ.
But
box.
like
and
one
CCTV
thing I don't
cameras to be.
understand, because it's a forest, what is the need of the humans to go into the forest? Leave the forest.
Exactly. You don't need to go.
Why should you need to go through the forest?
That is a shortcut route. No?
Shortcut route.
That's a
Yeah,
shortcut route.
Yeah, don't take a shortcut route. Take a longer.
Exactly. Take a longer route. I think that's why I'm saying that the entry exit point should be
Actually,
curtailed.
it's
should be
we
blocked.
have to see the populace also. Maybe I will take a car
Hmm.
and go around the circle. But these people who are coming to our homes to work, they don't have the means. So they will always take the shorter route. They will walk through. They will also try to save on.
Reduce their
the
expenditure.
commutation
You have to
cost.
educate them कि
Yes,
If
we
you are
have to
coming from
educate
here,
them. We have to awareness hona chahiye.
हाँ,
Slowly, it will take time. I mean, it is. I told you, it's an ongoing process. It will not happen in a day.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
cannot
absolutely.
wish
But
actually
things
I
away.
mean, you know,
Hope
as
is
It
the-
will happen.
hope the
we
jungle
start-
stays there. It does not vanish. before
yeah,
Yeah, that is the
exactly.
only.
Till the
yeah,
time we
hope
are
that-
alive, it should not vanish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
very good.
Thank you very much.
कहाँ
Thank you,
गए
everybody.
गिरीश जी कहाँ चले गए?
I think he got dropped off, but he's joining back.
Okay, maybe we can wind up now.
Yeah, we'll wind up. So,
Girish ji, ek baar aa jaye.
well, let him join back. So it was a good discussion, and I think every month there should be some kind of a visibility on social media and on our platforms, on Samvad platforms, and which will probably really refresh people's memories and said, okay, we have to take care of our forest and let's do something
Correct.
about it.
Very true.
So yeah, I think on that note, thank you very much. I think
Thank
Girish
you
is
so much.
having some problem with his
Yeah, I think
connectivity.
he's
Yeah, he is
connecting,
coming.
yeah. So,
Yes, means we have to keep
Keep at it. We have
Founding.
to
we
keep
have to
at it.
keep at it,
founding the
yes.
authorities.
Because
Founding
that
the
is
authorities.
how
Important.
people, it will be like people will slowly become aware that yes, they have to
Right.
learn to respect.
Learn to respect our environment, because if you respect the environment, then you get it back.
Only you will get the returns will be manifold.
Otherwise, you will get nothing back.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
I think Girish's video.
I think now he
I think
is
it's trying
Paused
to.
or something.
I think it's gone off.
Is it paused or he has some other assignment, appointment?
Huh?
Who is
no,
trying
he's
to
Recording.
having some connectivity issue.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I think so.
So thank you, Team Save, for enlightening us today with the whole movement, for the whole initiative. Viewers, this is a sincere appeal from all of us that please get involved in this noble movement. This is very, very critical for us, for the health, the well-being of our generation as well as our future generation. This forest has to be revived. It has to be restored, come what may. So we need everybody's participation. This is a people's movement. Let's not depend only on the authorities to take the requisite action. And we should not be sitting in our drawing rooms and being comfortable and think that the authorities should be working outside. It doesn't work like that. All movements we have seen in history, and we see now also, today also, that all movements have to be supported by the people. And that's only when any movement will become successful. So please come forward and let's join hands and save our Jahapuna forest, the lungs of Delhi. Thank you, Team Save. And we look forward to more such sessions every month with you all, so that we are fresh in everybody's mind.
Yes,
And with updates.
Thank you.
And with regular updates. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Good
much.
night.
Thank you.
Please take care.
Thank you. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
everyone. Take care and good night.
Thank you. Same to you.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.